On this short quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix snapshot common problems easily and fast. So first thing you wanna make sure to do is go to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 8 seconds and disable it. Go back and then open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, go to the snapshot, click on this forward stop and then go to the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back and then click on the data usage. Make sure to enable all the data usage options and then go to storage, click on clear cache. Go back and then what you want to do is go to the notifications management, disable the notifications and enable them back again. And the last thing you want to do now is go to the Play Store or the App Store and update your snapshot. Don't forget to like, subscribe.